let's start with deck building. Want to do something. Woo! Look at the ambience. Okay. So this looks like it all looks terrible. I want to do these budget decks, but they're so awful. Okay. So, we'll come back to this. Want to build something fun, something different, something I'm not used to, or maybe just something I've already done before. What do I do? I mean, do I even want to play Arena right now? I really don't. I mean, I guess I want to find something to play tonight, because I think I want to do I think I'll just do a short gaming video. Yeah, let's just see how this sounded. Okay, I'm just gonna go to play a match of something. I don't care what. I mean, this deck wins, so we can play this. Boom! Boom! Oh my gosh, it's exploding over me, P-Dog. 08. Okay. Definitely good. Like, anytime I'm on the draw, it's kind of disheartening, but it is what it is. Boom! You got blasted. Okay. We're gonna do Fireblade. Charger! Okay. So. Boom. Fire back. Okay, that's much easier to deal with than the other is. Boom. Are we trading here? Nope. Okay. Pump this as much as you want. Okay, there's Annex. Ow! No! No attacks. I'm good. Alright, let's see what my opponent does here. Okay, there's a robber of the rich of their own. I have no blocks that does anything significant. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I mean, it's really how much damage I can do, but I can't do a lot, right? Can do... Alright, so with Torbran, it's 4, 8. With Embercleave, it's... Okay, my opponent's going to be shocking too. That's wonderful. Because if my opponent can shock, then that's even worse. Yeah, I have no shot there. Okay. Yeah, we're fucking screwed. Okay. Let's see. So now we're bringing in those. Now we're bringing in the removal. I don't like in-breath here. I like this one. Okay, so down these to make room for that. Those are still good. Don't like Grimrock. I don't like Grimrock there. Yeah, I think this is fine. Cut some of those. Okay. Tech Giant kind of takes the role of Experimental Frenzy? Kind of. I mean, it's so hard for Mono Red to kill. So if I get to a Tech Giant here, if I get like a removal spell with these two creatures. Okay, so opponent's gonna hold up removal. Yeah, or never mind, they're just gonna play it. Okay. I'm drawing the cards that I left 2 copies of that I have 4. Okay. I'm just gonna pass. Opponent can do what they want here. +1, it can still kill it. Okay. If I go block, opponent would have to double pump in order to save it. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, there's Tech Giant. That's good. That's what I needed. Tech Giant is muy grande. Woo, whenever it becomes a target. So, I mean, unless they have the Rebuke, then Tech Giant's at least getting a 2-for-1. Oh, this is perfect. I can attack with it. Oof. Let's see. Let's do this. Off! Off! Okay. Let's choose this. Let's see what my opponent does first. Okay. Show me, Rama! Show me, Rama! Oh! They're gonna let me do this. Okay. Cool. 2. 2? 2, 2, 2? Yeah. I guess I could have... No, it only does 2 targets. Okay. So yeah, you're gonna get your 2 tokens. I'll pass. Oof. We're gonna do this pre-combat. I guess I could go ahead and let it happen. I mean, am I willing to take 1 damage a turn to do this? To get an extra thing to make this cheaper? Yeah, I kinda am. Okay. Oh, but I have to take the damage in order to do that. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this. I wanted to get the token, but not at the cost of taking damage. So I get 2 hits basically. Taking this. There's a Thundering Rebuke. Take that. And champion. No reason to cleave here. Boom! Take it! Yeah! Okay. Now I change anything? What would I change? It's all so pleasant. I just gotta get a Tech Giant on 4 and that's game. Okay. Wonder which one was which. I didn't see. I think I took the Fervent from my opponent and I had the Rebuke. I have a lot more removal. Yeah, see this hand is like loaded with removal. Cause I have all the main deck removal spells, and then there's 3 red craps. The shock. Oh shit. Might want to put the safety on. No! They get a robber. Shoot her! Okay. Bone Crusher Giant. NX. Okay. So I could hit the NX. Or I could play an NX. Explosions everywhere! Okay, so after this match, I'm gonna play another one, and then there's no reason. I think we're just gonna do this. My opponent has a Shock or a Rimrock Knight, that's fine. Or a tech. Yeah, that's fine. Next turn I get to kill both of these. Kill Annex first, then kill that. Okay. Sit Annex. Boom. Do I even want to kill that? Not really. I think I just want to do this. Yeah, this is fine. So are you just gonna play a Bone Crusher Giant? Yeah, that's what I thought. Be my bitch. Okay. I'm gonna go with Annex. No reason to attack. Alright, so Cleave is bad. I gotta line up blocks to where assuming my opponent swings, I gotta line up blocks. Well, no. I mean, they can't cast Cleave because they have no manas. They have no manas. They have no manas. Boom, shoot this one. Okay, gotta remember that Robber the Rich can get that. Okay. No reason to attack there. I guess I could have attacked with Annex, but then I'd lose my advantage that I have with Annex. Whereas this is fine. Okay, Bone Crusher Giant. Where's my opponent want to go from there? Just trading, but I get tokens. It's perfectly fine. Okay, now I can handle an Ember Cleave. So an Ember Cleave's not an issue anymore. Now it's just whether my opponent's gonna... Okay, so they're going to get at least a trigger. I think I gotta take care of one of these. Now if my opponent wants to attack, that's fine. They're still gonna get a card off of it, but... Okay, so... Shoot this because it has first strike. Now... Swing out. Okay, opponent's gonna let me do this, that's fine. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is. Who we got? Boom. Winning. Okay.